Hi students, once again this is Al Druschler, and in this video we will review how to use the rules for order of operations. Now, many of you have probably heard this, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So when I write that, or PEMDAS, I write it this way. So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that D kind of looks like a P, but it's really a D. Okay, so the P stands for, as you know, parentheses. That means we simplify any part of our expression that has operations inside parentheses first. You completely simplify that. That doesn't mean a -7 in parentheses. So for example, that means if you had 4 times -3 plus 2, you would do the -3 plus 2 first. So that's 4. And then -3 plus 2 is -1. So now we have 4 times -1, and that's -4. So that's an operation inside parentheses. An operation means there's some kind of plus, minus, multiply, divide going on inside the parentheses. There could be an exponent in there too. That's an operation as well. So the E stands for exponents. So if you had 3 squared minus 5 squared, you would work out those exponents first. 9 minus 25. And now you do subtraction. So -16. Okay, now the MD is multiplication and division but left to right. That's what that arrow is. Okay, so if we had 4 divided by 2 times 7, you would do the 4 divided by 2 first, which is 2 times 7, and then you do the 14. Notice I did division first. That's because division in this expression came first, working left to right. So you do your multiplication and division from left to right. And then the AS is addition and subtraction. Left to right. So you do your addition and subtraction left to right. So if you had 4 minus 7 plus 2, you would do 4 minus 7 first, which is -3, and then plus 2, which is -1. Notice I did subtraction first. That's because subtraction came before addition when working left to right. Alright, let's look at an example. We're just going to do this one example here, and you can get some practice in other places. So I have 5, and then I see this big bracket. Then 3 minus 8 times 3 squared plus 4 times 6 minus 2. Alright, that's a big operation inside the parentheses. I'm not going to do anything with that 5 outside until I simplify all that stuff in the parentheses. Now let's see. I have subtraction. I have multiplication. I have an exponent. Addition. Multiplication, subtraction. I should do that exponent first. We could say equals 3 minus 8 times, now 3 squared is 9, plus 4 times 6, and then minus 2. Okay, now I have subtraction, addition, subtraction, but I have 2 multiplications. So I should actually take care of the multiplication first. 8 times 9, 72. 4 times 6, 24. Now I have subtraction, addition, subtraction. So now I can work left to right on addition and subtraction. 3 minus 72. Let's just do it one at a time. 3 minus 72. That would be -69. Okay, now -69 plus 24. Well, I'm going to do a little work off to the side. I'm adding integers with opposite signs, so I have to subtract their absolute values. All right, so 69 minus 24 is 45, but The negative is more, so it's negative 45 minus 2. Negative 45 minus 2 is negative 47. Oop, let's erase that real quick and put that as a bracket. You could have at this point changed that to a parentheses if you wanted to. And now I need to do 5 times negative 47. So we're going to do 47 times 5. So we get 235, but negative. Okay, so this was just a quick review of using the order of operations. If you have any questions, please contact me as soon as possible. This is Al Dreschler.